Well, I visited Nelson's store, and if you want to see a store that has everything, this is it. It's got hardware, sporting goods, tackle. I bet you they have minnows in there. I didn't ask. And they got, I don't know, a really small meat counter. But I have cream cheese cake, and we'll try it. Not too bad. You know, for something that was made about 4 years ago. Better than some stuff that was made yesterday, actually. Well, let's see if I can not get in an accident here. That big truckload of hay kind of blocking my view. All right. I'd like to see this Nelson Park. She was saying it's really well used. And it's free, she says.
Continue on Route 118 for half a mile.
Well, what in the world's going on here? Let's get rid of that route. Well, so we're heading towards the river. Nelson Park. Hope I got enough. Oh, deer on the road. Mama and a little fawn. It's not a very big mama. They're just hopping away. That little fawn could hop as high as its mom. I like this. Gets the spot after that good breakfast I had. Hard to get it open though. It's constricted where the sticker is. Maybe if it doesn't want to go anyways. Don't have my knife on me. I'll try to bite it. Amazing what you gotta go through to eat stuff. Sorry about the noise. Well, this is a big park. I had no idea. Slow down, children at play. No parking beyond this point. Dead end. I guess that's just a road. Here's the park. So Sioux Rapids, Rainy River, constructed by Coochtring County. Boat launching, toilets, picnicking, park regulations, curfew 11 p.m. to 7 a.m. 2 consecutive weeks you could spend nights here. Do not run drains in park. All pets must be leashed. This is pretty nice, riverfront camping. Looks like they got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's a tent camper or two there. Yeah, very nice for families, you know, because you're close together, the campers are, and if you make friends with the family that's got kids like the same age as yours, you know, it's like a good deal to be close. like more privacy, but could be a time that I might spend a night there. She said it's free. No, that's hard to believe. Why they wouldn't collect some money. All right, tour of the campground. People, everybody's waving. So friendly people here. They didn't know they're on YouTube. What they don't know won't hurt them. There, got rid of that doggone wrapper. Good enough without a wrapper. It ain't falling apart. Well, let's see where we're at here. Oh, looking kind of strange here. Let's go to Baudette. There we go.
In a quarter mile, turn right onto Minnesota 11 West.
We don't need your help. It's very nice having that helping when you're in the cities. I don't know why this page doesn't look like it's... I guess it just doesn't show us. It's not big enough magnification. Well, there's a little church there. I don't know if I've ever seen a smaller town with as big a store. That's kind of why I'd never stopped there, is it must be really small, but it's actually... So that's the store for literally 30 square miles. Well, no. A pretty good area. So that's why it's fairly big. Look at that, you got a mag. It doesn't even tell you what that tone is. Under no magnification. That's kind of cheesy. They didn't know for sure. But this is Baudette. We're on the way. to check that park out again sometime. If they had the right campsite, I might not mind it. Especially if it was good fishing off the bank there. I don't know, but not having any luck at Franz Jevne. I fished there 2-3 times at Franz Jevne and on the river there. And nothing. I go to Baudette when I go ice fishing, so Lake of the Woods is a big attraction for me.